All right, good afternoon. We are going to, or morning or night, I guess I don't know when you're watching this, but we are going to read our next book for this unit called Down on Budget Farm. Again, you have access to the read aloud version of this when you log into your own ULS. But I'm going to go ahead and read it aloud, and we'll do some comprehension activities, or at least talk about the comprehension questions. So, Down on Budget Farm. The animals work hard on Budget Farm all week. They help Farmer Dave on the farm. He pays them every week for their work. Okay, so let's look here. We see a pig and a sheep and a horse and a cow and a boy or a man working on the farm. Okay, and there's our farmhouse and our silo. And here are our bales of hay. Have you ever been to a farm? So this would be our budget farm. And the animals are working on this farm all week. And the farmer, so this man, I think we can assume is our farmer. But let's read ahead and find out. Each animal has a budget. The budget helps them use their money. The budget shows the money they earn, spend, and save. So here is Carrie's cow's budget, Henry horse's budget, Percy pig's budget, and Shayna's sheep's budget. Okay, and they have how much they earn. So that's the money they make from working, the money that they spend buying things that they want, and the money that they save, that they put in their piggy bank or their bank account. So each animal, 1, 2, 3, 4, has a budget and a budget sheet. Let's see what they do with that. Okay, so today is their favorite day. It's payday. That's my favorite day too. So you can see they have it circled, and it looks like it may even be a Friday. A lot of times Fridays are paydays. So there's the horse, the pig, the sheep, and the cow. They're each looking at the calendar, excited for their payday. Farmer Dave. So now we know that the farmer's name is Dave. So he is a boy and his name is Dave. Farmer Dave gives Percy Pig his paycheck. Percy Pig wants to buy a big bucket of mud. Look at Percy right there. Percy's ready to buy the mud. He looks at his budget. He does not have enough money this week. He wants to save money. He says, I will put my money in my piggy bank, which that's funny that Percy the pig has a piggy bank. Okay, so Farmer Dave is giving Percy the pig her paycheck so that she can save her money to buy a bucket of mud. I wonder what Percy the pig will want to do with a bucket of mud. What do you think a pig would want to do with a bucket of mud? Farmer Dave, remember here's Farmer Dave, gives Carrie Cow her paycheck. Carrie Cow wants to buy new bows for her hair. She looks at her budget. She has enough money this week. She wants to spend her money. Carrie Cow says, I will spend my moolah, get it? Moolah on bows. Moolah is money. She's a cow, so she called her money moolah. And there she is with her money buying some bows. I wonder if baby Addie has bows for her hair. I wonder if she has enough hair yet for bows. Okay, so here is Farmer Dave giving Carrie Cow her paycheck. And Carrie Cow is going to spend her money on bows. Remember, Percy the pig wants to buy mud. a bucket of mud, and Carrie Cow wants to buy bows for her hair. Farmer Dave, here's Farmer Dave, gives Henry Horse his paycheck. Henry Horse wants to buy a new saddle. He looks at his budget. He does not have enough money this week. He wants to earn more money. Henry Horse says, I will give rides to our neighbors. So Henry the horse is going to give rides to the neighbor in order to make more money so he can buy a new saddle. What does a horse need a saddle for? So Farmer Dave is giving money to Henry the horse so he can buy a new saddle. Farmer Dave, here he is again, gives Shayna's sheep her paycheck. Shayna's sheep wants to donate her money. She looks at her budget. She has enough money this week. She wants to give money to help others. Shayna's sheep says, I will give my money back to the farm. So the sheep wants to donate the money back to the farm to help other people. Okay? It's always nice to donate money to causes, things that are important to you, to help other people that don't have things that you have. Okay? The animals like to work on the farm. They like to earn money. They have budgets to help them use their money. They can't wait for their next payday. So there they are with the calendar, and there's the farmer holding their paychecks and the animals waiting for their payday. The end. Okay, and that is the end of that story. So let me flip over to our comprehension questions, and I should have enough time to talk about those. I have to go to Thursday. And let's see, you will not have to do this because when you are accessing this tomorrow, it'll be up and ready for you to go. Let me see what this is. See if this is something we should do together. Okay, this is probably not something we need to do together, but this would be something that maybe your brothers would like to do this and play on the iPad with you to do this. So here's our word bank. And we'll just talk through a couple of these. So we want to go 5 across. Who gives paychecks to the animal? Okay. So that was Farmer Dave. Let me look at this one. Ooh, no, I don't like that one. Oh, wait, actually, sorry. Farmer Dave. We've never had this before. Farmer Dave. So, oh. I don't know how you... Oh, you have to spell them out. Oh, never done this before. Never seen this before. This is kind of fun, guys. Farmer. So on this level, it gives you the answer. So you're copying the letters from your keyboard or letter recognition if you wanted to do it using letter cards, writing the letters on letter cards and having you guys reach for the correct letter. Or if you have a brother that'd like to sit down and play this game with you, and they can go ahead and do that. So in this one, the answers are already given to you. But on this sample C, you have a word bank and they have to decide which letters would go in the right place. So this might be something fun for your brother to play with you. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember, we read our story, and we'll be having more activities to do with that story in the coming days and weeks. Have a good day.